So how do we start to model an arm? Just a short, very quick guideline. So I usually start with cylinder. I go for 6 sides. I need 6. Yeah, so basically that will be our start. Yes, let's rotate it. Oops. So let's convert to editable poly and start working. So let's pretend that this part is our shoulder and here the arm will start. So just how to think about it. So look at your own arm. If you rest your arm in a position of T or A pose, you will see that starting from a shoulder you have kind of a wide structure, not as tall compared to the one starting from an elbow. So basically we have two muscles aligned one close to another, and you know they are kind of, imagine it laying on a horizontal plane. I'm not sure I can describe that correctly, so I'll just do it. So extrude. Oh, I forgot how to use this. So we extrude it, and basically I'll make another extrusion for where our elbow will start. So basically here the main idea is that we want to have wide, wide stuff, not necessarily tall, compared to the elbow, which is opposite. That will be our elbow. I don't have any reference images, so the proportions are way off, but still. So compared to elbow, where opposite, I want it to be tall. Oops, I just want you. No soft selection. Oh, because it's selective. So that's the idea. This is tall and this is wide. This is not wide. Goes to the hand. Of course this looks awful. Let's just fix very quickly what we can. And this area here will start to form a shoulder. Probably it will go wider. There is this muscle that goes to the back and to the neck. And here we have a muscle that connects shoulder to the chest, to the breast. Not sure. So, and of course it might still be a little bit, but in any case I'm exaggerating quite a bit here. So let's make it a bit more subtle. Everything. So maybe it's not a muscle builder. Maybe he doesn't or she doesn't need this. But any human you have, they will have this structure. It might be less or more pronounced. It doesn't matter if it's male or female, fat or skinny. Actually, with a skinny person you would see muscles much more easily because fat doesn't hide it. So it's even better to have a skinny person around you that you can undress and have a look at the structure of this. Of course muscle builders are also good because muscles are actually big and you can see structure very easily. So that would be a starting point for the arm. Wide structure from shoulder to elbow, and tall structure from elbow to the hand. Something like that.